For example, if people are saying people are paying for jobs whenever they interviews, but the issue here is if no one attempts to give you money, definitely you won't get that money. Assuming everyone says no, you're not going to give you money, who will pick the money? So my stake is that there should be a revision of the law, as you have said. The ones who give money should be double punished than the one who receives the money. You will see the money is not going where it's supposed to be. Otherwise, I am happy I've never experienced a situation where I'm supposed to pay money to get a job or to get promotion in my life. But because no one has ever demanded for me, because I'm not willing to give. But honestly, madam, in the community, people just look for you with money. And not small, but even big money. Like, for example, I can give my own testimony. In the last concluded recruitment which happened here, it was in every department. There were people who are coming with it because they think that every department has a lot of powers, maybe. They will come with their money. You help me, connect me to so and so. But I was born as that is not my work. Now, if such money, they bring in millions, not even small money. I am really broke, I need money for definitely someone will be able to pick the money. So my appeal is let's revise the law, handle the people who give the money first, and even double. Let me go to the ones who are receiving. Maybe in that way corruption will become in this country. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.